Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. I hope you had a great weekend. It's Shout Out Monday. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
So, before we get started, I have a mail call from DC Outdoors. I already came with a note. I already read a very nice note, brother. Appreciate that. I got a sticker from DC Outdoors. Gonna make room for him on my board. It's gonna go right under. It's gonna go right here. Right underneath Airland Outdoors, Parchment Hills, Expeditionary Johnny, Orion, Judy and Spirit, Nikki St. Laurette, who just changed her channel name, and I'm spacing it in Mid Tennessee Outdoors. So, and also, and rather than doing a drawing this week, I'm going to give a shout out for Calizona Outdoors, whose sticker can be right here. A little tough to get. Okay, he's doing a 500 subscriber push, so hence the shout out for him. So hope you reach it soon, brother. Next to Muskrat Jim, the legend Ron T. Sawyer, Donut Dream Creations and Adventures, Cat in the North, the late Bill Melton, and then the Nicholson Family Homestead. So all the links will be down in the description for both channels. Have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Well, alrighty, there we go. This channel link will be down in the description, as always, and there'll be end cards somewhere on screen, as always. And let's not forget, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, all the way from our very appreciated recruits to our very, very appreciated veterans. Let's not forget either 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. We should get it down to 0, 22 a day, no more. So as always, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.